Good morning, business people. Now, here's a question. I just got a lead, an email. Somebody called in, right? What do you do with that? First of all, never hesitate on leads. The first people that normally react, 80% of the people get the business with that. So if you get a lead, don't hesitate. Start reaching out, calling the person right away, or get in contact because the clock is ticking. The more it sits there, the harder it is to close. I tell most people when they sit there and they look at a lead and they say, what should I do with it? I said, call them. There's never a mistake getting in contact with people right away. It lets you know that you're serious about helping them with their business or with their problem. So when you get a lead, call it right away. Put it in your CRM. Start scheduling to double your business today. Hi, this is Ben Brown from 360 Sales. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit notification. I have some great stuff coming down the pipe.